Hey Jeremy, this is Bobbie. I want to show you some of the research that I found. So I know you know about SEO and stuff like that, but I just want to show you just a little bit of what I found. So I searched Barber in Weatherford, Texas, just to see what I found. This first place right here, this is the map pack. There's a couple different ways on how you get on the map pack. The most important way, the main way, is by the number of citations your business has throughout the internet. A citation is basically a directory. So it's your name, address, and phone number exactly the way it's listed in your Google business page. So number one here is clippers and blades. I have a tool to look it up to see how many citations he has, how many directories he's listed in. We'll get those same directories and then double it. We'll find a lot for you so that you can beat him there. Another thing that I noticed is he has 428 Google reviews. So that's another thing that gets you on to the top. So whenever I click on here on his name, this is what I find whenever I look up his Google business page. So I also noticed that he has a lot of pictures, images. That's another thing that gets you on the top, but they have to be keyword rich pictures. So I find the right keywords, put in behind the pictures. Those are the things that Google gets you up there. And then it's also content. So I noticed that he has everything filled out. So we need to make sure that you have it 100% complete. And those are the things that are going to get you on the top of the map pack. So the next thing under the map pack, because it's not just location relevant, it's all of this stuff that goes into effect. So the next thing is this right here. This is the organic section. The thing that gets you on the top of get your website on the top of the organic section. Main thing is content. Google likes for websites to have at least 1,500 words on the top page. Not all industries do that, and so the industry with the most words, that's going to be one thing that gets you on there. So clippers and blades, they're right here. They're number one. Well, they're number two because number one is Yelp, but we can beat Yelp. Number two, they're up there on the top. So whenever I click on here, it sends me to their website. As I'm scrolling down, I noticed that it doesn't have a whole lot of content at all. I have a word counter telling me they only have 298 words. So we can definitely beat that by far. Put at least 1,500 on your first page. Even $1,000 words would be good. Google will be fine with that. But it can't just be words alone. It has to be keyword rich content. So that's not the only thing that gets you right there on the top. The other thing that gets you there is called backlinks. So what a backlink is basically whenever another industry or another website is putting your website on their page, basically shouting you out, giving you popularity in Google's eyes. So whenever you have those backlinks, Google says, hey, you know, this is relevant, this is a good place, and they bring you up to the top. So I have this search tool that I use right here that helps me to break down that website. I clicked in there, clippers and blades, just so I can break it down and figure out what's going on. So it's showing me that they only have 17 backlinks. So they only have 17 other businesses that their website is on. I'm sorry, they have 9 businesses, 9 other websites that's given them 17 backlinks. So 9 businesses are shouting them out 17 times. But I also see right here that they have 128 keywords that Google is finding on their website. These two things right here alone is what's bringing them traffic of 251 visits every month. So that right there, I want to show you keywords, why keywords are important. So 128 keywords. I clicked on there so I can figure out what keywords we can use, what keywords are going to be best for you. These are the keywords that they're ranking for. You notice right here, barbershop, Weatherford, Texas, it's searched 250 times every month. Barbershop, Weatherford, 30. Scroll down a little bit more, and there's more things. So the keywords that I want to use for you, I want them to be location-based and buyer intent. So, for example, if somebody says how to cut hair in Weatherford, we don't need that. Clippers and blades. So, okay, I want to show you this. Clippers and blades, it's searched 800 times, but it's not location relevant. this company is number one, but that doesn't bring their store any traffic at all. Somebody could be searching them in East Coast, West Coast, anywhere other than Weatherford, and they're still going to be number one, but that doesn't do anything for them. So we're not worried about being ranked for them. We want to be location based and buyer intent. So those are a couple things that are going to bring you to the top. I have all of these tools to get you there. I also wanted to search something else for you. I did search massages in Weatherford also. This was the top website right here. So massages, Weatherford Texas, Weatherford Massage, and then Weatherford Texas Massage Therapist. So this is what I found on them. They have 16 referring domains, giving them 52 backlinks, and then 61 keywords. These are their keywords. Look at all of this traffic, right? So I'm going to get the easiest keywords to rank right there. So they're ranked by difficulty. So it's 0 to 100. 0 means it's super easy to rank. 100 means it's super hard to rank. So we're going to find the ones that are super easy to rank with high volume. Like, for example, we can rank this super easy. It's searched 800 times and it's 0 difficulty. They're number 3. We can definitely get you on number 1 for that. Massages in Weatherford, Texas. But basically, those are the things that get you on the top of the search engine. There is a lot of money to be made here. There's a lot of searches in those two industries altogether. I already have a layout for you, but I want to talk so we can see exactly what you want, how you want it to be. Again, the things that you need to focus on the most are content, citations, and backlinks. I hope this helps a little bit. Give me a call, see when we can set time up so we can talk and review everything. Talk to you soon.